problem is to write a program in Python to check if a number is odd or even. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jan, and in this video we will learn how to write a program in Python to check if a number is odd or even. So guys, we have been doing since our childhood that we have been learning this odd and even numbers, and this we have done previously in our lower grades. Today what we will be doing, we will be learning how to write a program that would allow us to check if a number is odd or even. First of all, let's understand what is an odd or even number. If you don't know what is an odd and even number, let's first understand that. So we are talking about odd numbers and the even numbers. All the even numbers are the numbers that comes in a table of 2, that means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. So these are all the even numbers. So all the even numbers come in the table of 2. And all the odd numbers are the ones that do not come in the table of 2. That means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So all the numbers that do not come in the table of 2 are the odd numbers. Now how to write a program that would allow us to differentiate between the odd numbers and the even numbers. Let's understand that. We know that in our Python we have a symbol called as this one, which is called as modulus, which allows us to find the remainder. Okay. So what we need to do, if we take any number over here, let's say I'm taking an example of number 15. If I divide it by 2, if I write 2 and 2 7 times is 14, I get the remainder 1, right? That means if it's giving me the remainder 1 over here, that means it's an odd number. Similarly, if I would have taken any even number, let's say I would have taken 16 over here. Okay, 16 when divided by 2. So it gives us 8 times is 16 and we get the remainder 0 over here. That means what it is showing is that all the even numbers over here gives the remainder 0, while all the odd numbers over here gives the remainder 1. If I take any other example as well, for example, if I take 11 and if I divide it by 2, so 5 times is 10, again I get the remainder 1. If I take any other number, let's say 37 when divided by 2, so we'll be getting 1 and we'll be writing 2 over here and we'll be getting 17 and 2, 8 times is 16 and we'll be getting 1 as a remainder. That means what again, 37 is an odd number, 11 is an odd number and 15 is an odd number. So all the odd numbers here are giving us the remainder 1 over here. So what we need to do, we need to use this simple logic over here that all we need to do is write that if any number when divided by 2 gives the remainder 0, that means it's an even number. So how we will be writing that? We will be writing it in this way that whatever our number is, let's say it's 15. So 15 when divided by 2 gives the remainder 0. In that condition, it is what? Even number. If it does not give us, then in that condition what it is an odd number. So this same logic we are going to put inside our program. So let's write the program now. First of all, let's take the input from the user as a variable. So number is equals to int. I'll be taking the input in the integers and enter a number here. Now once a user has given any number, what we need to check? We need to check if the number when divided by 2 gives the remainder 0. So I'm saying if the number, that means we will be using our conditional statements over here. So we'll be writing if number when divided by 2 gives the remainder 0. In that condition, we need to print that it is an even number. So if it is not even, then definitely it is odd. So we don't need to write any condition over here. Simply we can write else. With else, we never write any condition. We can simply print that if it is not even, then definitely it is an odd number. So now let's run our program and let's see what happens. So I have written enter a number here. Let's write 45. We can clearly see by the last digit that the 5 is not a multiple of 2. And if I run it, if I press enter over here, it would give me that it is an odd number. Yes, it is giving me an odd number. That means our program is working perfectly fine. Let's write one even number as well. Let's say I'll write 44. 44 is giving me that it is an even number over here. So this is how we have created a program. All we needed to do was create a variable over here where we have to take an input from the user. Then write a conditional statement which states that whatever our number is, when we divide it by 2, it should give us the remainder 0. If it gives us the remainder 0, in that case, it is an even number. If it does not give us the remainder 0, in that case, it is an odd number. So I hope guys that you guys have no doubts in the questions, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.